Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we are making authentic Ghanaian palm nut soup, but in a very simple way. So if you are interested, stay tuned and let's get right into the video. We are making our palm nut soup with beef, so we washed our beef nicely and then poured it into our saucepan. We added blended onion and aniseed. Then we also seasoned with Toffseed garlic paste, Toffseed ginger paste. I love these pastes because it makes the cooking process very fast and easy. We also added all-purpose seasoning from Toffseed. Their details will be in the description below, so if you want one, do check it out. We then added one stock cube, and then we added a bit of salt to taste and some diced onions. We mixed everything together, and then we added a little bit of water, and then we allowed our meat to steam. While steaming, we had some snails as well. This is from Snails. It comes in already washed and then cleaned nicely, but then I just cleaned mine with lemon, washed it nicely, and this is how beautiful it looks. We added it to our steaming meat. We also had some crab that has been dressed already, also from Snails. We washed it nicely and added it to our steaming meat. Now time to add our star ingredient, which is QSELNET Palmnut soup base. Guys, I've been using a couple of palm nut soup base because I live alone and I don't have mortar and pestle to be pounding palm nuts, okay? But I have tried QSELNET palm nut soup base, and this is not even an ad. Their palm nut soup base is 100% organic, and it has turkey berries in it, or abeju. It has no additives. It tastes just like you going to the market, getting palm nut, boiling it, pounding, and like adding water to get your stock out to make your soup. It tastes the same. I'm not capping here. It's 100% organic, okay? So we added our palm nut soup base, and then we added 2 liters of hot water. So the quantity of water is totally optional. Guys, it's the 21st century. We are busy working, so cooking process should be easy, okay? Don't let your kids start crying as soon as they hear the sound of we want to make palm nut soup. And you yourself, don't stress yourself out too much just because of palm nut soup, okay? You can have that authentic taste, but in an easy way. So choose QSELNET. Their details is going to be in the description below, so do check them out. So we then washed our tomato and onion nicely and added it to our soup. We also washed our pepper nicely and also added it. The quantity of pepper is totally optional, okay, by your taste and preference. We also added Prekese, or Aidan fruit in English. Our Nigerian friends call it oshosho. So it has a lot of pharmaceutical property, but let's not go into that. It takes your soup taste and aroma to the next level, okay? We roast it a bit in the oven before adding it to our soup. That releases its oils and makes it super awesome. We blended our onions and peppers and tomatoes with some fresh garlic and added it to our soup. Now just look at how amazing our soup is looking so far. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, you know we don't hide anything from you on this channel, and we teach you authentic recipes, simple and easy to make, okay? So please join the family by hitting the subscription button. It's totally free. We then added some smoked mackerel, or salmon as we call it here in Ghana, and then we added Okro or Okra to our soup. Just look at how amazing the soup is going. We tasted and realized our soup needed some salt, so we added salt to taste, also by your taste and preference. We mixed it together, and you know what, palm nut soup without smoked catfish, it's not palm nut soup, okay? So we washed our smoked catfish nicely and added it to our soup last minute, because when you put it in it early, it might just scatter in the soup, and we don't want that. So yeah, all this juicy oil can be used to cook other food, so you can scoop it out if you want, okay? Now our soup is almost ready. You can tell from how it looks, and we sealed it with some pakposhito, or green habanero pepper. Guys, we are in Ghana. Our pepper is not that hot. If you are not in Ghana, just adjust the pepper to your taste and preference. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comment section what you'll be pairing this soup with. And don't forget to like, share with your friends and family, and also check the description for all the details of all the products mentioned in this recipe. See you in our next video. Bye guys.